Let's take a look at the first example. First, please notice that next to 13 I do not have x. That's why I'm going to move 13 to the right side of my equal sign. And I'm going to end up with negative 2x plus 5 equals minus 2 negative 13. I'm going to organize my equation a little bit. I have 2x plus 5 equals minus 2 minus 13 is equal negative 15. Please notice that anytime I do not have any number next to the parentheses, there is always invisible 1. So in this case I have negative 1. In order to eliminate this negative 1, I have to divide both sides equation by negative 1. Negative and negative will cancel out, and I'm going to have 2x plus 5 equals negative divided by negative is positive, 15 divided by 1 is simply 15. 2x plus 5. 5 doesn't have x next to itself. That's why I'm going to move 5 to the right side of my equal sign. That's why I'm going to have 2x equals 15 minus 5. 2x equals 15 minus 5 is equal 10. In order to find the value of x, I have to eliminate the multiplication. Remember, anytime we want to eliminate multiplication, we're supposed to use division. Always divide both sides equation by the number which is multiplied to the variable which I'm looking for. In this case, we have to divide both sides equation by 2. And I have x equals 10 divided by 2 is equal 5. In order to verify the answer, we're supposed to replace x in the original equation by 5. Let's do it. And we have 13 minus 2 times 5 plus 5 is equal negative 2. I have 13 minus 2 times 5 is equal 10 plus 5 equals negative 2. 13 minus, and I have 10 plus 5 is equal 15 equals negative 2. 13 minus 15 is negative 2. Negative 2 is equal negative 2. Left side of my equation is equal to the right side of my equation. That's why x equals 5 is the correct answer to my problem. Let's take a look at the second example. This time we have x on both sides of the equation, but one of them is inside of the parentheses. In order to find the value of x, we're supposed to eliminate the parentheses first. We're going to use distributive law in order to eliminate the parentheses. And I'm going to have x equals 7 times x is 7x. 7 times negative 6 is negative 42. Next, I'm supposed to bring all terms which have x to one side, and everything without x I'm going to leave on the right side in this case. So I'm going to have x minus 7x is equal negative 42. X minus 7x is equal negative 6x equals negative 42. Now, in order to find x, I'm supposed to divide both sides equation by negative 6. Negative 6 and negative 6 will cancel out, and I have x equals negative divided by negative gives me positive. 42 divided by 6 is equal 7. This is the solution to my problem.